gone the other way, then gimme little now. Iwaata refusing to be underrated.
Uptown, uproad. But yeah, if you know me yet, man.
It have a rounded energy. My first ever project, it mean everything to me. Cause I have two songs where I go on good. I have one with I Do and it never basic.
Never basic.
But that was the first track release after regain traction from the album. And then we have Gimme Little.
She little and mad, wicked and mad. She say she come from little London.
New York, Miami, Afrofest in DC, promo run. Album also dropped this year.
Yeah, the album dropped the same time. There Jamaica do it for a while. I don't know me need to get my face across the world, which is America, where I'm streaming the most.
Iwaata met producers, influencers, useful contacts.
The catalog I take time build gradually. And I like one time when I go like airport, nobody don't know you and them thing. The people know me now. I stay in America and promote the song named Gimme Little, which is on the album, which is track 6. So I realize I have some different type of audience in America side. Jamaica the big place in but you know when you go outside of the country, a different thing and the people then react to you different. So I realize the influence of them America and Jamaica, them work with what go on in Jamaica. So if you're in America and I do that work there, you really have to dip on a pace for your work. My team, them spend money on my career, which me never used to have nobody I spend on my career. I was an underground artist, just to do my thing from the slum.
Now, management requires the artist sometimes to be disciplined because the sad reality is that a lot of people aren't disciplined. They just do what they want to do.
I want a different artist as I can see me. You see it when you mix and mingle, my father. Yeah, one play night game, one way spell. Parring and them things, they get distracted from the music or your mission where you depend. Mingle with what you do, and that a music, that me do. You see me? So you know this in a series, I bag a banger.
A selector mix went viral.
Yeah, Gimme Little, man. Yeah, man, produced by Blackstone and Crash Play Music. You see me? Blackstone come from Trinidad. You don't see the Asian son of one good already. After 1 month, you start gaining traction. On TikTok, all over, I start see gain traction. America, me there and see it. It's a girl song for the girl there. Remember me say Tony that way. You see me, I say Little London, and now I say Gimme Little.
Calls his album underrated.
As that are the most comment you see under every post I want to make. So we put out a body of work and make them know say yo, we're underrated but we're not under pavement. You see me? We live and we make each song same way. So that I have answer to all our fans and we are sorry for me. Don't sorry for me, I work and put in the work. When my time forward for the right look, me I'll get it.
Why do you think that your fans were sorry for you?
Yeah, because them say me I baddest thing and I know me I baddest thing. But you can't reach where you have to reach before time, dog.
But still, to call it underrated, do you feel you were underrated?
Me not underrated. That are for my fans them. Don't feel like me underrated. Don't say that. You see it, as I give them a body I work, that's them can see say, no man, stop say that man.
Bahamas, Guyana, girl bubble up. Give me little now, give me little now. E.T. St. Vincent.
Newer faces making waves, a different path traveled by DJs like Iwaata.
It's easier now for them still for you them now. Because in my time you have to go feed. Right now you have phone. A man can stay in my yard so and do so and go viral and feel like a hit. But me going on a road feed. Uptown Monday, boom Sunday, both Tuesday. You see me I say? Me always hungry, me stay hungry. Yeah, because I never used to watch clothes. Usually just go on road on a white shirt and cut off with jeans and my Converse and know so I get the thing across. That's why I can day in a game till now. You see me, I never have a car. I usually take a taxi and jump off a gate and go on Uptown Monday. I no business go look for me. Them time nobody na video. Now everybody have video, everything we do. Too much pride. You see it? Remember we have a DJ for my own, you know. We never have that big studio that like Franco. We'd have to go DJ on microphone and everything there. You see it? And nobody never used to move.
And did that work out for you? Did that teach you something about how the business works or the sort of benefit you could get out of the business?
Yeah, man, I see Bunty and Beanie them do it, man, and them still do it. That show you say you can't stop do it. Anything we do is continue the year time and forward, because you do the same thing. When them are doing, you rate them as an icon, so you can become an icon too. Me and Junior read have a song on the album. So me pre-music, is it?
Give me little now, Antique and Barbie and dance, oh we go!
You don't know, father, me more than growing on music, you know. Father from Kintyre in a city, you know. Sound system used to in my yard. So my grandfather was a musician, an engineer. My granduncle them own sound. So you have Cape Town them and you have Roundhead them, you have Sizzler them down Auguston. You have whole heap of people used to come DJ in my yard. So I'm more in a music and know, so I dance. Big up the youth them where them are, but I dance all me do, so I have to rate the veteran them.
Is there a quicker, faster turnover in the music business now?
Yeah, I know like I tell. It come fast, it go fast, as I say, because the breeze just blow it away. You see me? So you have to find some concrete thing where stay. When I find a song and the world react to it, I want to find 5 more now. I don't sit down and I say, all right then. Yeah man, that I run the road, man. I'm going to come with that bigger one and lick it.
So you're still as hungry as you were when you started out in the game?
I'm always hungry. Me than late for interview if me never hungry, father.
Iwaata setting the stage for a run in other Caribbean islands come the new year. His collab list including performers from Trinidad and the Bahamas.
Give me little now, Bahamas, Guyana, girl bubble up. Give me little now, Haiti, St. Vincent.